The Intellectual Property India, IP India, has registered the design patent of the President of Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr. IP India is a subordinate office of the Indian government that administers the Indian law for patents, designs, and trademarks. The design title Industrial Air Filter was issued on the 17th of March 2023 by the regulatory body. A statement issued on Monday by the university described the achievement as testament to the commitment of the university towards innovation. Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria is extremely delighted to announce such an amazing feat recorded by one of its staff, who is known for his tireless efforts to sustaining the institution's tradition of excellence, the statement read in part. While congratulating Professor Israr, the statement also lauded the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN for providing the platform where the success of this magnitude can be achieved. Congratulations.